Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to my 2374th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. This video is coming at you on a Wednesday night, and this video is for trading on Thursday, Feb 17th, 2022. Before we get into what's in the video, please remember the risk involved in this game. It is a very risky game. In fact, today we traded short soybeans and short soy meal, and both of those were stopped out. So anyone can lose. How you lose is so important. Put your stops in, put them in first, and never trade without them. All right, so OMNIACs, if you don't mind, please subscribe to these YouTube videos. Subscribe to them now and like and share them on the internet. It would help me dramatically, and I'd appreciate that. So let's get moving. First, I'd like to say this. For you traders that just joined my free trial, thank you for joining. I appreciate that. If you have not received an email, check your spam. Check your spam. I'm going to type it because sometimes emails end up in spam. So if you signed up for a free trial, please check your spam and see if your invitation to that free trial ended up in spam. And here's what I will tell you. The last free trial I held a couple of weeks back, the first 3 days we were pummeled. Literally, we were pummeled. And then we pulled out $10,000, almost 11, before the free trial was over. If you've just started this free trial, it doesn't matter if we win or lose. Take every trade. Do not hesitate. And see where you end up when the trial is over. All right, traders, so E-mini S&P daily bar. And when I say do not hesitate, by the way, when a flash update comes out, do not hesitate to put the trade on, okay? Back to work. E-mini S&P daily bar, floating at the 200 bar moving average. The Omni wanted me to literally buy the opening today at 6 p.m. Eastern this afternoon, Wednesday afternoon for Thursday, and I don't like those types of trades, so we're not in the S&P at the moment. It would literally have gotten us in basically right at the opening today. Not the type of trade I like, but I do like the fact that it's above the 200 bar moving average. Look at this one. Look at the Dow, how it's reacting around the 200 bar moving average right now. When you held, fat rally, right? Came all the way back down, held again, fat rally. Got through it, big break. Gets above it, nice rally. Bounces off, nice rally. Gets through it, decent break. And here we are. What will happen tomorrow? Well, the S&P's already above it. The Dow is not there yet. Big question mark. So because my Omni, some of my Omnis, I have, Russell, NASDAQ, Dow, Transportation Average, Industrial Average. Some are pointing up, some are pointing down, some are pointing neutral, sideways. So I'm going to basically sidestep this, but I have found something that looks kind of interesting. We'll see where it goes. Let me show you something nice. And let's try that again. I'm sorry about that, kids. My typing skills aren't the best. All right, so gold, daily bar. Remember when I showed this to you when we got above the 200? I said now we should race to the top of this big apex line, or pennant line, I should say. And we did, and we got above it. Then we came down for the day, the red day, and then we got back above it again. Now, what's interesting about that is it did not turn into what you would consider possibly a double top right here from this high to this high, because it only went down for one day, turned around and went right back up. So it's challenging the double top, and I find that very interesting. And if gold holds proper levels, you may see us trading gold on Thursday. So that's what I wanted to show you, traders. Remember, always place your stops. Place them first. If you joined my service and you've got the free trial, sit tight, take every trade for the next 2 weeks and see where that gets you. And remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders. Traders, that is the truth. Put your stops in. Do not make any emotional decisions. Good luck trading tomorrow, and I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.